Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you here from Let's Meal Prep, our recipe app. And I've got lunch today and it's ramen, believe it or not. Yes, I wasn't sure if Amy would like ramen, but I love ramen and I always do, but she said, let's go for it. So I found and kind of changed up a little ginger chicken ramen dish right here. And it is just chock full. I've got some linguine in there, rice noodle linguine. So it takes a little bit longer to cook. So once you get the broth going, put the linguine in there and let it go. Let the broth simmer for like 10 to 15 minutes. And then I added shiitake mushrooms, some shredded carrots, some bok choy, spinach and kale mix. So there's a lot of greens in there. And then on the side, grilled some chicken with some soy sauce and brown sugar and some other spices, ginger in there, and just let that thicken up and just basted the chicken over it. And it doesn't look like it's on there, but hopefully it is. I let it go for quite a while, and so it should have a good strong flavor. It did on the day I made it, so probably a good idea to serve this right off the bat. But as you can see, it does look pretty good. I'm gonna warm this up and eat it, probably sprinkle some soy sauce in there and enjoy. Well, sriracha, yeah, sriracha sounds good too. All right, guys, it's coming on the app this Thursday. Hope you enjoy it. Quick notes, I know our Apple users are going through a little bit of struggle right now. The app has got to be resubmitted for some stuff, and so hopefully that will happen fairly soon. All right, guys, take care and have an amazing Monday. Take care.